So hello guys, in this video we'll be seeing how to calculate the factorial of n numbers using recursive function. So firstly, the first statement is the header file, that is hashtag include stdio.h for the printf and scanf statements. Then comes the next statement, that is the function declaration. So here we are declaring a function of name fact, which is of type long int containing a parameter n of type int. So next comes the int main, as the execution starts from here. So int main, entering it, we'll have a set of instructions where firstly we'll declare a variable n of type int, and then we'll ask the user to enter the value of that positive integer n. So after that, we'll print the factorial of that n is equals to n, where n and fact n is called in this same statement. So this will lead us to the function definition. So here comes the function definition, where fact is the name of the function, which is of type long int, and again one parameter n as declared here. So the code includes, that is the instruction inside this. Firstly, we'll check if the value of n is greater than or equal to 1. If this condition satisfied, then it will enter the next statement. This next statement is executed only if this condition is satisfied. This condition says n into fact of n minus 1. Here, in at this step, the recursion occurs. That is, the function calls itself within it. So this statement gives us the factorial of the specified value of n. So if this condition is not satisfied, that is, if the value of n is less than 1, then it will return 1, since every number is a factorial of itself. So if this condition is not satisfied, then even for the negative numbers, the fact value will be 1. So that's it. There ends the function definition. So this will go back to this again. Here we'll be returning the value. So that value will be printed here in this, and then finally return 0 and end of the program. So I think you have understood the code. So now let's execute it and see. So firstly, it is asking me to enter a positive integer. So let me give like 8. So the factorial of 8 is 40320. So since this is greater than or equal to 1, so the condition is satisfied, and this recursive statement is getting executed and printed. Now let's see for a value less than 1. So if I give 0, the factorial is 1. As we have specified there, return 1 if it is less than 0. So I think you have got this. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you.